In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on your Wix website in just 5 minutes. If you're working on sprucing up your site or adjusting your content to better meet your audience's needs, taking control of your text editing on Wix is a vital skill. Let's dive into the steps to get you there smoothly. Start by logging into your Wix account. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your Wix site. This dashboard is your command center where you can control all aspects of your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it's key to editing and managing your site with ease. With that done, click on the Design Site button to enter the Wix website editor. The Wix editor is a powerful tool that enables you to craft your website visually, making changes in real time. This is where you'll be spending most of your editing time. As you enter the editor, allow the page to load fully to ensure all features are functioning correctly. Now, scroll through your site to find the specific text element you wish to edit. Once you've identified it, click on the text to select it. You should see a small options box appear, giving you the choice to edit text. Click on this to enter the text editing mode. Here, you can make direct changes to the text, just like you would in a word processor. This mode also facilitates text customization, allowing you to personalize it to better fit your website's theme or the message you wish to convey. With the text element now ready to customize, you can change font styles, adjust sizes, modify colors, and even apply effects such as bold or italics. Don't just focus on aesthetics. Remember to keep your text clear and easy to read, improving the overall user experience for your visitors. Consider using headings and subheadings to structure your content more effectively. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's time to see how they look within the context of your site. Click on Update to save these changes. Follow this up by hitting Preview. The Preview mode provides you with a real-time view of your website, allowing you to assess how your edits appear to visitors. This is a critical step to ensure that everything looks as intended before making it live. Finally, after reviewing your edits in preview mode, if everything looks perfect and the changes fit your vision, hit Publish. This final step makes the new edits visible to the public, actively updating your live site. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward method to edit text on your Wix site. With these steps, you should be able to modify your site's text content quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to regularly update your site to keep your content fresh and relevant.